We're going to do a video about s'mores. Can you tell me about s'mores?
Okay. Camera. What's it like being a camera?
How's your s'mores, honey?
Good. But how is it being a camera?
How is it being a camera? Oh, it's kind of nice. Thank you for asking. Do you like camping?
Yes. In the tent, of course.
Of course, yes. What's inside the tent?
Stuff that we need to camp. Chairs, magazines, beds, flashlight. No, they put it away.
A flashlight, and what else? Do you have blankets in there?
Yes. Yes.
Kaden, do you like s'mores?
Hey, back here, camera. Back here.
Whoop!
Camera, you're like Tiana.
No, I'm not like Tiana.
No, I'm back here.
Okay. Is the s'mores delicious?
Then you'll come all the way back here. I'm all the way.
Okay. Kaden, what else do we need for camping?
Chair.
More chairs? Oh, for Mommy and Daddy? Are you going to sleep out here tonight or in your bed?
Back here.
In here? Oh.
Back here.
We're going to wait for the moon?
I mean back here.
Okay.
I mean back here.
And the sun's going down. Do you have a camping song to sing?
Camping is great.
Do you have a camping song?
At a party. At a party. At a party. Oh. Bada party. Bada party. Bada 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 bada.
Everybody camping?
Bada bada. Everybody camping into the moon. Follow me. I'm all the way back here.
Say goodbye to the camera. Happy
Bye.
camping.
Bye.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Happy camping.
Happy camping.